do not. This is all we have this morning. We're stuck in bullish correction. We don't have anything else outside of 2057. So this morning we're dealing with ultimate bullish correction. We're stuck between the levels. As we discussed, from market open, the only good place to be is as low as possible and as high as possible. This is trade I would call maximum 7 out of 10 because we're stuck in extremely narrow range. We know how important 2057 is. Nothing spectacular. Overextended bullish rally, 12 points later, struggling to crawl back up. This is where shorts are waiting. This is where buyers are waiting. Let's go S&P. Enough of the torture. Prove time and time again that the only thing that matters is price and Fibonacci. Everything else, background noise. Everything else imitates what price and Fibonacci told you after the fact. Decision point 2 is the most important level on S&P. This is exact same formula that S&P respecting on monthly chart. Famous 1800 number. As posted since 2014. Get out of the markets when S&P will come to 2100. S&P giving us bearish correction. S&P is not doing what Valiant had done, which is complete crash and burn and complete reversal. Will S&P finally crawl up to 2057, which is the only 7 out of 10 trade we have this morning? Proving you, know when not to short, Alberto. No indicator on the planet will tell you what price will do. Only price itself. So this is what Valiant done. This is a reminder of the danger of the reversal zone. And this is what plays out time and time again. 80% of the time when price comes to reversal zone, it will crash completely. If you understand Fibonacci levels, you are smarter than top hedge funds in America. You would not be buying Valiant, you would not be down 60-70%. As Valiant, one of the major holdings of top hedge funds in America, you would be exiting the position. S&P, crawl, baby, crawl, you can do it. You're telling you only long, long, long. Finally, we reach the end of the minor trend. Will price blast through this level and head further up? Remember, we're not dealing with little baby levels. We're dealing with hourly chart that gave us the only opportunity this morning that we rank maximum 7 out of 10. So, will S&P be capable of blasting through? That would be a gift. And that's the power of Fibonacci, time and time again. And this is the power of the end of the minor trend in front of you, where Euro been dancing for the last year and a half at 1. I expect Euro to break through this level and crash and burn to 81, and then crash and burn to 51. Pay attention. Exact same formula on S&P short chart. Oops. Price is struggling. The same exact thing as Euro. All the same formula. Know your Fibonacci levels and know your rules, and you will never need anything else ever. It doesn't matter if you trade stocks, as hedge funds I work with do. It doesn't matter if you're a day trader who trades S&P, as beginner traders I work with do. Formula remains the same. Capital and trader psychology is different. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci, time and time again. It never, ever, ever gets old. So, will S&P blast through the end of the minor trend? Will it fly 2 hourly 2057.50? This is all that S&P is giving us this morning. This is a card that market giving us. And that's what we respect. We respect the price. We respect the Fibonacci. We never need anything else. Every trade, different stop, different target. Trade yesterday in the market, 9 points later that I placed an hour before room closed, I gave you all the targets. That's where price reversed from. Recognizing decision point 2. Will it break through this level? Remains to be seen. All the same formula. S&P respecting the end of the minor trend. No surprise here. There is nothing else that we can touch here this morning. This is exact same level on Apple. Pay attention. Post it on my LinkedIn profile for the last few months. As I spelled out, when Apple will come to 93, which is the end of the minor trend, where S&P is struggling, Apple will stage the bounce all the way back up to 111. Let's take a look where Apple is this morning. It crawled up, back up, finally, close to 110. Because Fibonacci said so since few years ago. When Apple came to 130 and I was at the hedge fund convention October last year, I was the only one who was saying, get the heck out of Apple. Apple will reverse until 93. If you didn't suffer pain and suffering, if you knew Fibonacci levels. So, exact same formula. S&P baby chart as Apple monthly, as Euro monthly. Exact same level as oil monthly. Remember famous 86? End of minor trend that oil respected for 4 years. 86 was broken, oil went into free fall. Will S&P finally blast through? The only trade we could touch this morning. Go baby, you can do it. Woohoo! Decision point 2 is reached. Moving my stop outside of break even. We finally reached very crucial target. Look at this perfect stone. How magnificent is price. Doing exact same thing on baby chart as S&P is doing on yearly, respecting decision point 2 as 1800 number. All you have to do, play by the rules. And if you do, the skies are the limit. On this very, very funky last day of March, Thursday morning, we took the only trade that market has given us. We've taken overextended bullish rally from as low as possible up till this number. We stayed out of worthless bullish correction. Key moment, will S&P blast through and take us higher up to 2061? Or is this over? As you learn in the course, decision point 2 as a trend trader will be your most important target. Let's do the math. What is 1.5 points on S&P? 1 lot, $75. 10 lots, $750. 20 lots, $1,500. In 2 years, if you play by the rules, you can trade 20 lots. You are done this morning. 45 minutes after market open. If you are happy making that much in 45 minutes. Because as long as market will continue dancing here, this is all market giving us. What account you trade is your choice. And that's the magic of the price and Fibonacci. It never gets old, I promise. Gives you unparalleled accuracy, where to enter and where to exit. Time and time again. And if you ever seen accuracy on anything else better than what you're witnessing in front of you, I would like to see it. Choose a tick, time and time again. Learned and traded by complete beginner to hedge fund traders. S&P, oil, forex, stocks, options, all the same formula, only difference, trader psychology and risk management. And that's why I live and breathe what I do, that pure and that simple. As expected and as respected, decision point 2 is reached, our very crucial target, we are out. Let's document the results and let's remember, this month the trading room was closed for 2 weeks. During 8 trading days in a bootcamp, we had another 15 trades, 0 negative. This is the results only for 2 weeks this month, with today being last day of the month. You witness the trade in front of you that on this trade we did not touch target 1. We stayed up until decision point 2 because it was a trend trade. Multiple times when you witness counter trend trade, I tell you, there is nothing else that's present here. This is all we have. 20 trades, 17 positive. As of 10/19 this month, in 2 weeks of trading room. Using price and Fibonacci only. What you trade is your choice. Is it Apple? Is it S&P? Is it Forex? Formula remains the same. Trader psychology in risk management is the only difference. On this magnificent March 31st, gold once again reminding you the power of Fibonacci levels. Long from reversal zone 1060 reached decision point 2. Exact same thing as baby chart S&P. This level is broken, gold is heading to here. But you must know the rules, where to enter and where to exit. And if you did, you never bought gold at 1900, where gold collapsed from. Reversal zone of the bullish trend all the way down to reversal zone of the bearish trend. And that's the magic puzzle that never gets old. And that's why I live and breathe what I do. Next class starts April 4th. Any questions? Always feel free to call me or mail me 925-257-4298. And I highly encourage you, please listen to the graduates on the course who vary from complete beginner to experienced trader and who trade any instrument and any time frame.